Alright, y'all. Let's try this again. So I just put a fresh belt on. The first video I ran, you could tell that the belt was kind of slipping a little bit. And I looked at it. Looks a bit worn, actually. So, we'll put that belt there. Let's put it, we got a fresh belt on it. Let's see how well it's going to run. Sounds better. Oh, that sounds much better. Much better. Oh, that sounds a lot better. Drop a like, comment down below, subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time. Drop a like. And again, if you like these kind of videos, make sure you leave a comment down below. Tell me what y'all think. Make a good comment. And make sure you are subscribed because I do Kirby videos on my 2nd gen Safe Tram mechanical bell, claw videos, and what have you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. And before I let you guys go, I always want to remind you that Jesus loves you and have a great day.